Hey, what's up, guys? Mike, you guys back with a new episode of lesson. Okay. Yeah, guys, for today I want to come up with a lesson, okay, that's going to help you and also enhance your playing. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of your time on this video, so I just want to show you some basic jazz chord, okay? So basic jazz chord you can apply in your playing, okay? Mainly, so many people have been asking me how to form a jazz chord, okay? And how to play over jazz chord. So for today, I'm going to show you how to form a jazz chord, okay? How jazz chord are being formed, okay? So, at first, if this is the first time you're watching my video, I'll encourage you to subscribe to this channel, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my video each time I post a new video. Okay, guys? I would like you to, hit on the like button if you have any challenges, okay, after watching this video. If there's anything you don't understand or if you find this video interesting, you can give a thumbs up, okay? You can give a comment down below, okay? I would really appreciate that. Alright, guys, so moreover, I will advise you make sure your guitar is on a standard tuning, okay, like mine. The guitar is on the standard tuning, okay? So whatever I'm going to show you, you're going to play the same way, okay? And it's going to sound the same way. So guys, without wasting much time, I would like us to go into the video so you can understand how to form a jazz chord and how jazz chord are played and how to play over jazz chord, okay? Yeah, what's up, guys? Okay, so the first this thing I'm going to show you is okay. So I'm going to bring this close so you can see my fingers, okay, where I'm playing. Okay. So I'm going to do this lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. So the chord, the chord I'm going to show you today, I'm going to do it in the 2-5-1 chord progression. Mainly that is the jazz progression chord, okay? So I'm going to do this in the 2-5-1 progression chord, which is the Re, the Sol, and the Do, okay? Re, Sol, Do, okay? So I'm going to show you how to form the Re chord, show you how to form a Sol chord in jazzy way, show you how to form a Do chord in jazzy way, okay? So you're going to sound jazzy, okay? So at first you need to know each of the keys in your guitar fretboard, okay? Like this is the key of C, this is the key of D, this is the key of C, okay? That is Do, Re, Sol, Do. This is the key of G, this is the key of Do, this is the key of D. So now this is Do, Re, okay? Re is a minor note, okay? Re is a minor note, okay? So if you want to play it, you play a minor way. If you want to play like a D minor, you play like this. In the key of C. Okay? Okay? So in the jazzy way, if you want to play it the jazzy way, you play it like this. Because you need to make sure the seventh note or the flat seventh has to be pronounced, which is the Do, okay? Which is the Do. Because this is the key of D, okay? Okay, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do, okay? The flat seven, okay? You need to make sure the flat seven is being pronounced. So what you're going to play there is the Do, the flat third, which is the more, okay, the Do, the flat third, and the flat 7, which is the Do, then go to your Re, okay. Now this Re now, okay, is a ninth chord. In jazzy way they call it a ninth note, okay. In jazzy progression is a ninth note, okay. the re here is the 9th note. So if you are playing like this, that is a D minor 9. Okay, that's a D minor 9. Okay, you take your first finger, your index finger to the re, your ring finger. Okay, sorry, your first finger goes to the umoh, which is the flathead. Then your ring finger go to the CHORD, okay, which is the flat 7th. While your pinky finger goes to the re, the same fret, okay, the same fret, which is the flat, okay, which is the 9th note, okay, and that is how it sounds. And that is a D minor 9, a D minor 9 jazzy chord, okay. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what am I playing here? Going to the 5th note now. This is the key of G. Okay. This is the key of G. Okay. So I'm playing the G13 there. Okay. I'm playing the G13. Okay, from my G, my roots, I'm playing the CHORD. Okay, my roots, my CHORD. Okay, now my ring finger is going to the mi, then my pinky is going to that, it's going to la. Okay. This one is on the G, and this one index is on the CHORD, same fret. My ring finger is on the mi, while my pinky is on the la. That is a G13 chord, okay? On the jazzy way, they call it the G13 chord, okay? Why is it 13 chord? Because if you count from is the G scale, the do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, in the jazzy way, that is how they count it. So I don't know if you understand it, but I believe you understand it. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay, so that is a jazz chord. Okay, that is a G13 chord. Okay. For those of you that don't understand. Okay, so going to the 1 note now, which is the C. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay, so what am I playing there? Okay, my first finger go to the, sorry, my index finger go to the do, my first finger go to the mi, then my ring finger go to the re. Okay, that's something I showed you here on the D, the minor, or the D. Yes, on the D minor 9. Okay, the re here. Okay, the re I showed you here. The same thing here. Okay, on the 2nd string. So it's do mi ti re. Okay, do mi ti re. Why is it a major 7? It's because of the T. The T is a major 7, the major 7 itself. Okay, I wish it was CHORD, it would have been a minor 7th. Okay, I don't know if you understand me. So the T is making it a major 7th. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay, that's the C major 7th 9. Okay, C major 7th 9. So that is how jazzy chords are being formed. Okay, mostly when you're forming a jazzy chord, you need to make sure either your 9th note, which is the re, is being pronounced, or your 13th note, or your 11th note. Okay, as time goes on, I'm going to show you how to form more chords. Okay, like what I just showed you now, it can be applicable to all the keys in your guitar fretboard, depending on which key you want to play it on. Okay, even if you want to play it on D, E, F, G, okay, depending on your finger position, but you just know the right notes, okay, you can use to form a jazz chord. Okay, You just know the right note you can use to form a jazz chord. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay. Okay, there are so many ways to form a jazz chord. There are so many jazz chords, okay, that you likely want to know. Okay, maybe you can apply them whenever you are playing, or whenever you want to do a jazzy soloing or jazzy concert. Okay, so for most of you that don't understand the number system, okay, you can maybe chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the screen there. You can chat me up on WhatsApp if you want a one-on-one lesson. Okay, I will get back very well to you. Okay, so guys, for now, I want you to work on this lesson. Okay, by the next video, I'm going to show you how to solo over those chords. Okay, it will help and enhance your playing, guys. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, share. Okay, if you have any challenges, drop a comment below, and please, if the first time watching my video, I'd like you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Okay, so you don't miss that anytime I post a new video. All right. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next video. Bye.